Make sure you're cleaning them dishes for them birds now, boy. Oh, man. I'm for sure breeding that one right there on top right there. And the one in the back right there. I'm gonna be breeding them ladies next year. They some beautiful ladies right there. Oh, you ain't seen no hens this pretty, have you? I know you haven't, son. You hear me? These hens here are so pretty. I just feel like pulling my... Those hens about prettier than my wife right there. Especially this one right here. Dude, good, you don't understand. Oh, man.